Today, I'll show you how to use a vinyl siding removal tool, also known as a zipper tool. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. This is a vinyl siding removal tool. It's also known as a zipper tool. Clip it in at the end and use it to unclip the upper siding at the end. Then slide the tool behind the upper siding to unclip it. This is where you use the hook on the tool to reclip the siding. Hook the tool on the bottom of the upper piece. Then slide it to reclip the siding. This is how to unclip a full piece, mid-wall. If a piece is overlapped over the siding, then unclip part of it first. Push the tool behind the upper siding and slide it to unclip it. You can then access the siding piece for removal. To reclip it, hook the tool on the bottom of the upper piece. Pull down and in to clip in the end of the upper piece. Slide the tool to reclip the upper piece. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.